I mean, that even if Illuminati was real, why wouldn't you want to be a part of something
which is pure paper?
That's controlling it, like more money. Like,
oh man,
you done gave your soul to the streets already. Like, you done gave your soul to the streets already. Like the streets ain't give you nothing but bullet wounds and stab wounds, and you lost your homies and you know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
So why wouldn't you want to be part of an organization that make you millions and billions?
Billions and billions. Yeah.
You know, as far as the Illuminati, but I just, like I told you, they come knocking on my door. I'm sitting there. I'm making them some tea. I'm giving some peace to rock.
It's a level of success where it's a door. It's a door. When you platinum and you getting 50,000 a show, I've been there. There's a door that you could walk in.
I grew up in a household where all I ever did was listen to gospel music, and my parents are both traveling ministers, and so I kind of sang about what was going on in my life at 15, and that's how I got introduced to the music industry. I swear I wanted to be like the Amy Grant of music, but it didn't work out, and so I sold my soul to the devil.
I sold my soul to the devil. I know it's a crappy deal. Lisa came with a few toys like a Happy Meal.
Yeah, this shit is wicked on these mean streets. None of my friends speak, we all trying to win. But then again, maybe it's for the best though. Cause when they saying too much, you know they trying to get you touched. Whoever said illegal was the easy way out couldn't understand the mechanics and the workings of the underworld. Granted, 9 to 5 is how you survive. I ain't trying to survive, I'm trying to live it to the limit and love it alive. Like ills, poison my body. I used to say fuck my skills. I never prayed to God, I prayed to God. That's right, it's wicked, that's life. I live it, ain't asking for forgiveness for my sins. Ends, I break bread with the lay heads, picking their brains for angles and all the evils that the game will do. It gets dangerous, money and power is changing us, and now we're lethal, infected with the evils. I want to kill you safely. Illuminati want my mind, soul, and my body. I want to kill you safely. Secret society, trying to keep it on. I want to kill you safely. Illuminati want my mind, soul, and my body. I want to kill you safely.
I get possessed by the spirits. I get possessed by the spirits.
My advice, get your money, don't let it change you, and don't trust shit, even the devil was an angel.
The Lord had created all of the angels except for one, whom would surpass all the other angels in brilliance, splendor, and authority. This angel would be appointed over a third of the angelic host, and would lead in praise and worship of the Godhead. He would stand closest to the throne in authority, clothed in shimmering color and wings like no other. This cherub was exquisite in beauty, and his name would be called Lucifer.
This kid has to be stopped. I'm telling y'all, Satan is working through Chief Keef to corrupt our youth. I'm telling y'all, Satan is working through Chief Keef to corrupt our youth.
This angel would be appointed over a third of the angelic host, and would lead in praise and worship.
Now, if you have been keeping up with N-word news, then you know that Chief Keef is coming out with a new mixtape called Bang 3. He posted on Instagram the other day, and I quote, Bang 2 an almighty soul on iTunes right now, but Bang 3, no lie, y'all really don't know how crazy I'm going. Hashtag, I'm finna raise the murder rate up. And if I'm lying, I can get killed right now. This S is so effing hardcore. That old Sosa Bang 3 N-word better be scared. Now let the record show, Chief Keef is from a place called Chicago, a city which is beautiful, but I am scared to death of it because it's a bunch of little Chief Keefs running around. Everybody knows how dangerous Chicago is. 506 murder victims in 2012, 373 murders so far in 2013. Chicago has a higher murder rate than some parts of Afghanistan.
That's the word for you today. Even though the devil comes to steal, kill, and destroy.
There's 3 different ways to walk. Straight is you're on your own. Let's see if you continue this success, young man. Let's see if it's all about your skills, young man. Let's really see that. You went straight.
These niggas is garbage, man. They can't really rap. They not really in the streets. They not really piecing up no real bars. They not really doing the shit they say they do in these raps. The only reason why you probably hearing them on the radio a lot and seeing their video a lot is because they got like little weird situations with niggas. I don't know if it's like a homosexual situation, some believing in the devil type situation, some born against the grain situation. Niggas be doing any and anything they gotta do to get in position. I'm not willing to do that, so you might not hear me on the radio as much, but I respect myself and I get respect in the streets. That's why I go anywhere I wanna go. I just came back from Iraq, Kuwait, Moscow, Krasnodar. Anywhere I wanna go, that's where I go and I get respect. Cause the type of nigga I am. You know what I'm saying? These niggas, they might be on the radio a lot, you might see their video a lot, but they don't get no respect. And when they come out in the streets, they be petrified. I don't want to live that type of lifestyle, and I don't want to be that type of nigga. So I'm a grind from the ground up. You know what I'm saying? It might take me a little bit longer. It might be a lot more work. I might not win awards and be on these videos and all that from the beginning. But at the end of the day, when I get there, I'm going to feel comfortable about it, and ain't nobody going to be able to take it from me. That's the way it really goes. So Wayne do rap and grinding from the ground up. He ain't been doing all that little faggot shit niggas be doing and try to get in position either. You know what I'm saying? We grinding from the muscle. That's how we do it, and that's how you supposed to do it. So everybody that's listening, that's an artist, that's trying to get in the game, that's trying to do their thing. The game is getting smaller now because of the internet. It's the opportunity for the world to get music instantly, without no distribution company, without no record label, without no CEO and no A&R. Like, the game getting smaller, it's an easier opportunity for people music to get heard. So y'all can follow the same formula, be real niggas and do it the real way, opposed to doing it the fake way like these dudes do it. You know what I'm saying? That's real rap.
To the right, I'm not sure if that's the homo shit right there.
So when you kiss, I gotta ask, ladies, I got y'all up here. So when you kiss the girl, right?
Hey, I'm on a person he kiss.
So when you kiss the girl, right?
Hey, I'm on a person he kiss.
I got y'all up here. So when you kiss the girl, right?
Hey, I'm on a person he kiss. That's how I roll. That's nobody else, man. We roll like that.
Oh, Rick Ross. Rick Ross. Rick Ross. Rick Ross. That's all I'ma say for now.
Still is the boss. You the boss of Death Row. Still is the done. You understand? But I'm the underboss. I'm the copper. That's my job. For the protection of all of Death Row, to do what's best for the all of Death Row. And Snoop, to do what's best for all of Death Row. My decision wasn't based on I'm coming to Death Row taking shit over. My decision was based on Ray not being there, for Snoop doing his crowd, and this is all for real shit. You understand? And then he wasn't producing shit. Other niggas was producing the beat, like on my album. Other niggas was doing the beat, and Dre was getting the credit. And I gotta go on MTV and be like, yeah, he did this, he did that. No, he ain't do it. He is a dope producer, but he ain't worked in years. And I got tired of that. I didn't think we needed that. I think we didn't need that. And he was owning the company too, and he's chilling. He owning the company, he's chilling this house, fucking big, eating pussy. I'm out here in the street, you know what I mean? Whooping niggas' ass, starting wars and shit, putting it down, dropping albums, doing my shit. And this nigga's taking 3 years to do one song. I couldn't have it. But it was not my decision. It was his decision. His the one that was coming to me, because I was soft on it. Like, you know, well, fuck it, we just keep it in the dark.
No longer Dre Day, hurry but dirt shake. All is forgotten, rock for plot and shell play. Take your sexuality, as fruity as this Alizé.
Say what you like and I will put you in check. I am Rondo, but politically correct. Anyway, I am just through with him. Through with him and upset with him. So don't come with me, asking me no goddamn questions about Dre, because he can't do a goddamn thing for me, because he's just like Tupac said. Fruity like Alizé.
Dre is not coming today. Hey, why you acting like Dre won't be in today? All the homos will go home. Dre's not coming.
One thing about Death Row. Now, how does the what's going on with Dre, and how does that affect Death Row as a whole? The whole now.
Dre's doing his own thing. It don't affect us. My take on what happened was that Snoop was on trial for murder, fighting for his life. Somebody had said that Dre was in the car. The jury believed that. We needed Dre to be there to say he wasn't there. Once they would have saw him, they would have known he wasn't there, and that would have saved Snoop's whole case. Because they would have saw that the witness that had said it was lying, and Dre never showed up. He was too busy. That's how they told me. When they told me that, I was like, well, no matter how dope he is, and Dre's one of my heroes in the music business, but I was like, no matter how dope he is, if he's not down for his homeboy, Snoop brought him back when he was just a relic, when niggas was dissing him, you know what I mean? Then I don't want to be a part of him. I don't want to be around him or nothing. Plus, I feel as though what's done in the dark will come to light. It's secrets that everybody's going to find out about that I don't have to play a hater droskiness about. That will come out, you'll find out for yourself, and you'll know why I did it. I swear to God, y'all, I'm living by the rules of the game that y'all, the people, have put down for us to live.
I don't have anything about, you know, against gay people or nothing. It's just, I can respect the person who's gay who come out and say they's gay.
Right.
Then you got your choice. But the other guys,
a lot of the rappers are gay and they don't admit it.
Yeah, 95% of them is closet cases.
Right.
Come on, 95%?
I wouldn't say 95% because I don't know all of them. I know
He's got a lot of...
I know the ones who's on our label was like that.
Isn't it true?
Names.
No, don't name names.
And then this recently, Dre went to my PO and tried to get me violent, and he snitched on me. I haven't even seen the guy since I've been home.
You're on probation.
I'm on parole, baby.
Parole.
Parole.
I don't know.
So anyway, he went to my PO.
How many record company executives you know are on parole? Most of them should be, but...
The thing about it, he went to my PO, and they made a special case in my parole conditions by saying that he basically put a restraining order against me.
Who did this?
Andre. And only people I know you put a restraining order against somebody unless it's a battered woman, like a wife, a baby mama. I didn't know a so-called gangster rapper would go put a restraining order against another man.
Right. It's very... Because I know the way
Is that why you're saying he's gay?
I'm saying he's gay because there's a guy named Bruce and they've been sleeping together for years.
Oh.
And we had a meeting. We had these meetings in the red room, right? And once we had these meetings, you had to put everything on the table. Everybody had some drinks and wouldn't nobody lie. Because if anybody get caught lying, it was always a consequence.
Right.
So Tupac stood up and said, I'm tired of this. Dre used the faggot. Dre said, first of all,
right,
I'm not a faggot. He said, okay, well then you're a homosexual. He said, I'm not a homosexual. I'm bisexual.
These meetings are something
he
else.
said, you bisexual. He said, see, that's another thing I don't want to do. I don't want to be doing songs with a guy who's pounding other guys in the butt. then Dre said, Pac, I thought you was smart. You still dumb. If I want to pound some butt, I could do a woman. I'm a bisexual because I like to get my cheekbones blew out. I like to get pounded in the butt.
Oh my!
Well, let me just say, let me say something about this meeting because you're bringing us into the inner workings of a record company. A lot of people aren't used to this.
Really?
Let me say something about this meeting because you're bringing us into the inner workings of a record company. A lot of people aren't used to this.
Really?
A lot of us live normal lives.
Dre used the faggot.
Dre used the faggot.
this gangster shit. And this the motherfucking thanks I get. Hello.
And while I'm talking about it, there's a whole bunch of you hoe-ass rap niggas that's in the closet, nigga. Yeah, you in the closet, nigga. Know what I'm talking about? You a homosexual, know what I'm talking about? I ain't got nothing against you, but nigga, don't be trying to poison the pussy population, nigga, with your old sick dick, know what I'm talking about? Get your motherfucking hands up out the way, nigga.
Back to that ozone article, and you read every statement I made in there, and if you find a place in there where I lied about somebody, you research it. Y'all give me a call back and I clarify what I meant.
There it is, pimp.
Now let me say this, and I want it to be clear. I'm not apologizing for what I said. I'm clarifying what I meant by what I said.
Right.
We all know Atlanta the South. We got to start acting like it's the South. And we got to start having some pride like it's the South. And let me say this, y'all might not like this, because a lot of people don't like stuff. But ATL is considered to be the gay capital of the world right now. And y'all got clubs over there with boys standing in the parking lot kissing on the mouth. And you know, if you're gay and you're out of the closet, that's cool because everybody got their preference. But man, it's time to start cleaning up our own neighborhood because the dude from Texas shouldn't have to get on in no magazine to make you clean up your neighborhood. So if I really wanted to diss Atlanta, it was a bunch of things I could have said about a bunch of people, and I could have really dissed and hurt some feelings. Now, don't you know that?
Yes, sir.
Because I know who the gay rappers is. I know who let them models stick them dildos in them, and I know who did what, where, when, and why.
Wow.
So
Do you feel like expressing that right now?
Yeah,
Go ahead, no. If you feel like saying it, go ahead.
Say this again. I'm proud of all the rappers in the South. I'm proud of everybody selling records in Atlanta. But everybody ain't my friend, and I don't like all y'all rappers. Now, if you want to diss me and get on with me, go on and do it. But the difference between me and them other dudes is this. You going to diss me, and I'm going to come see you, Jack. You going to diss them other dudes, they going to play lip wrestle with you. So if you want it, man, come on with it. If you want it with me, come on with it. Leave Bun out of it, and we going to see in the end, because you going to smell my cologne. Insimiyaki on some Bond number 9, because I do not play.
That's the same clone I wear.
Now, the sanctuary, because we keep God first in everything we do.
Hey, Pimp.
Yes, sir.
Do you mind expressing any of those rappers you was talking about? Them sugar sausages? I want to know. Them gay rappers you know about?
Nah, man, it's no need to embarrass nobody that ain't done nothing to us.
Respect.
But if you gay, man, and you ashamed of it, you need to stop doing stuff you're ashamed of. Anything done in the dark gonna come to the light. I ain't gotta expose them, because they exposing themselves every day and every night. But see, you work at a radio station and it's your job to answer me that question, and me being a real person is my job to know how to answer it, ain't it?
What's up? All right,
okay, so if you gay and you rap and you stand in the closet, then you need to come on out of the closet and let us know who you is. Because if you ain't proud of what you do, then don't do it. And if anything you're ashamed of, you shouldn't be doing. You know who's getting caught in the Range Rover with the boy. You know what's going on in Atlanta, just like I know. You know who got caught in the Range Rover with the boy. Okay?
Nah, I don't really.
You know. Because if I know you know, because you in Atlanta. But let me tell you this, man. We need to stop with the boo-boo, man. We need to stop promoting negative things.
Yeah.
UGK was started out talking about drugs and things. But now we on the record talking about the other side of the drugs and what happens when you get off into negative things. We need to stop promoting the wrong thing.
That's definitely, somebody got to step up and make it happen.
Somebody got to do it, and guess what? You think anybody that did it, they was going to like it when they don't nobody like medicine. It don't taste good. They just want a whole bunch of the same old, everybody licking each other's booty and being cowards. But guess what? I'm taking a stance against the cowards. I'm taking a stance against the lies. And I'm telling you, we need to stop doing all this old negative stuff.
All right, Pimp, man. We appreciate you checking in, man.
If anybody got something to say about me, just make a list of their names and tell them, look, you can come see me. I'll give you my address. We can box it out, pop it out, stab it out, or talk it out.
And then to the left, I'm not sure if there's some sacrifice shit going on right there.
machine around us, this so-called music industry, is such a demonic thing. It sacrifices people's lives and their essences.
How do you feel hip-hop would be today if Big and Tupac was here still?
If they were here today and they were on peace, I think hip-hop would be a beautiful place to be. But if they were here and they still was on, I don't like you and I can't deal with you, I don't think hip-hop would be as far as it is. I don't think it would be as grown as it is and as accepted as it is. One thing about anything you do, sometimes sacrifices have to be made. And it's sad to say that their lives had to be sacrificed for hip-hop to become what it is. One thing about anything you do, sometimes sacrifices have to be made. And it's sad to say that their lives had to be sacrificed for hip-hop to become what it is today.
Hi, I'm John Nortz with MTV News. One of the most outrageous and unpredictable figures in the world of hip-hop is dead. Russell Jones, a.k.a. Old Dirty Bastard, the perennially eccentric bad boy of the Wu-Tang Clan, died Saturday afternoon in New York at the age of 35.
I was late. I was supposed to be RZA actually. When I walk into like the studio area, and I see someone laying on the floor. But I'm thinking in my head like, yo, I want to call an ambulance. Like, what's wrong with this person? Like, they're just on the floor, like tossing, turning. They're in some kind of pain. I look and I see this Old Dirty. Where's his brother? He's like, I'm calling an ambulance. He stopped me. I called the ambulance. The lady on the phone, she's giving me a hard time. Like, yo, send somebody now. And she's like, well, what's going on? I'm like, stop breathing. She's like asking me a whole bunch of questions, and I'm like, are you going to send somebody now, or are you going to keep asking me all these questions? This person stop breathing. So when the ambulance gets there, they just put the blanket, they just put the sheet over his face. Like, you watch VR and stuff like that, and you think that they do the little shock machine and that they try everything to save, but they just straight put the blanket on.
He jumped off the stage, landing on his knee, which started the process of, him needing to have something to relieve that pain.
He fell off the stage in the concert when he went to the studio and he asked somebody for a painkiller. And that's what did it. They gave him the painkiller. And he never woke up. He never woke up.
I was late, but I was supposed to be RZA actually.
Hey there, Brooke. Yeah, some sad news out of Los Angeles today. It was confirmed this morning that the 20-year-old son of hip-hop star Dr. Dre was found dead in his home on Saturday. Now, several reports say that Andre Young Jr. returned home Saturday morning after a night out. They also say that Young's mother found him unresponsive later on that morning. She called 911. Those reports have not been confirmed yet, and the cause of death has yet to be determined by the coroner's office. We did, however, get a statement from Andre Young Sr.'s publicist. She said that Dr. Dre is mourning the loss of his son and asking everyone to respect their privacy and grief, and certainly our thoughts with Dr. Dre and his family on a real terrible day for them.
Hear what you've been missing. Introducing the first laptop built for music. Only HP has Beats audio inside. It's the laptop remastered.
Now, I'm not particularly cool with some of these brothers' lifestyle, but nonetheless, they're my brothers. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
We have to look at Damon Dash. We have to look at Suge Knight. We have to look at Irv Gotti. And we have to look at Jay Prince. These four gentlemen that got together and we're going to put up $30 million apiece to get and create their own distribution company to distribute black music. These people got together and said, we'll never let it happen. It'll happen over our dead bodies. All in 1 week, I'm telling you the short version of the story. All in 1 week, they raided the offices of these four brothers. I'm going to say them again. Damon Dash, Suge Knight, Irv Gotti, and Jay Prince out of Texas. They raided, FBI raided their offices and